If you are struggling to see the cursor on your Mac, I'm going to show you how to make the Mac's cursor bigger. First thing you want to do is head up to the top left hand corner and click the little Apple logo, and then come down to System Preferences. And from System Preferences you want Accessibility, and on the left of Accessibility you want to click Display. Now we're on the Display tab, you want to click Pointer in the middle here, and in the middle of the screen you'll have a slider bar which is to resize the pointer size. You simply click the tab on the slider and drag the slider up to the size that you want. You can have the slider as big or as little as you want. You simply let go when you're at the size that you want. If you also want to make the pointer more visible by changing the colour, you do this by selecting the two boxes below. The first box is for the outline, and you can select any colour you want, and then the second box is for the infill colour. And again, you can choose any colour you want and make it as big or as small as you want. You can simply click Reset to go back to the default. You can also select the tick box here, which allows you to locate the mouse pointer when you shake your mouse. It's not as obvious when the mouse is large like this, but if you make the mouse pointer smaller, like this, it's much more obvious and it makes it easier to find your mouse. So that is how you resize your mouse pointer on the Mac. I hope this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the like button below and check out this next quick Mac tip, and thank you for watching.